Hello. Today I have Chrysler Town Country. It came to us with a problem. Power tailgate not working. Not working from remote, not working from the back. Start measuring plug diagnostic, no communication, and I show you what I found. Let's go to the back. Where is power liftgate model? Here. So when I open this cover, I notice a bad smell, and this smell is from that model. Look at that. Lucky the car didn't go on fire. And I think it's all problem because of water. Short circuit in the board. And if we want power liftgate, we need to replace this one. And firstly, we measure all things with motor. If everything okay, just need to replace this one. Thanks for watching.